Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Great Southern Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Great Southern Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to ob.greatsouthernbank.com.au. It will then take you to the official website of Great Southern Bank. There, enter your customer number, then enter your password. To confirm your password, you can view your password by clicking to this eye icon. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Great Southern Bank account. If you have forgot your login details, you can get help by clicking to forgot your details. And if you are new to Great Southern Bank, you can register a new account by clicking to register today. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.